Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catgirl token. Name of the token is Catgirl, ticker symbol is also Catgirl, all one word. Now this token is trending. You know, every day I look in the trending section or most visited section. We have the Catgirl token in there on CoinMarketCap. So this token is obviously doing very well. It's very popular. Right now it's down 0.9%, which is, you know, basically staying even today. But yeah, this token is always trending. I did do a video before on a token called Optimus Catgirl, which is a play off of the Optimus AI robot from Tesla and Catgirl token combined. But this, I've never actually done a video reviewing the Catgirl token. So here we are. We're going to go over the information on the Catgirl token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Catgirl token you can find listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, all sorts of different coin listing sites. On CoinMarketCap, you can find a full white paper. You can find their webpage, catgirl.io. You can find their BSC scan. You can find their socials. They have a Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, Medium articles, Discord, etc. all listed on here. Price chart, contract address. And they also have a full CERTIC audit. Now, CERTIC is the leading auditor in the crypto space, so that's great that they have a CERTIC audit. You can check that out on on CoinMarketCap as well. Now, their holders, they have an insane amount of holders. Like I said, this is a very popular project here. If you go over to their BSC scan, which is listed on CoinMarketCap, you will see that they have over 230,000 holders. Almost 1 million transfers, 9 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 100 quadrillion tokens. Also on their BSC scan, you can find all sorts of links. They have their webpage, contact email, Medium articles, Reddit, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, full white paper, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listing on their BSC scan. So check out all that. Now their webpage is filled with all sorts of different utilities on here. You can use their marketplace. Oh, that's coming soon. So their marketplace is coming soon. They have farming apps on here where you could stake or farm. They have mystery boxes of NFTs. You can connect your wallet right to the page if you want to get some of these NFTs here. They show you what they look like. Now, if you want to get this token, it is listed on a whole bunch of different central exchanges. So, according to, well, let's go over the first way that you can get a Binance Smart Chain token is by getting it off a decentralized exchange called PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Catgirl token using the contract address that you can find on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their BSC scan webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that though. And if you want to get it off a central exchange, there's a whole bunch of different central exchanges. You can get it off of one called Latikin, Super EX, LBANK, BKEX, Gate, or Hotbit. So I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. So if you're looking to get this token, you're welcome to use that Hotbit referral code if you don't have a Hotbit account. And those are all different ways to get the token there, and it's most likely paired with USDT on all of those central exchanges, I would assume. Now, what is this all about? Well, Catgirl was introduced in Q3 2021, so that's how old the project is. That's why it has it's well established with like 230,000 holders. So it has a community of driven by NFT cryptocurrency used in the real world. The creators do their best to please their audience and maximize the benefits for coin holders through deflationary and instant rewards. The official website states that users can get their hands on certified collectible NFTs on the Catgirl marketplace, as well as upgrade their characters and their appearance in the Catgirl workshop. So you can get the NFTs and you can change like what their their uniform, whatever they look like. Anyways, the team especially highlights talented designers and artists who are involved in creating Catgirls and all the visuals. The developers of the platform understand that their project is perceived by the audience as a meme coin, but they also have a serious commitment towards initiatives and investments. So they do have a roadmap here. It says you can check that out. Let's check out the roadmap. So first phase of the roadmap, partnerships with talented artists, smart contract, release of a DApp, mystery boxes, the Genesis Catgirls, LP staking. Then they came out with a token called the PAW token, NFT farming, release of the Neko Fuse. Then we have the DApp V2 version coming out. So what's coming up eventually in the future, they're going to have Season 2 of the NFTs will come out shortly. Then we're going to have their own NFT marketplace that I was talking about earlier. That will come out soon as well. Then they're going to release the do-it-yourself Catgirls, wearables, and workshop, and then gaming mechanism. So you're going to be able to most likely use your NFTs in a game. So the Neko Fuse, it says, do you want to, are you running low on luck with your mystery boxes? So the Neko Fuse system is a where you can convert multiple lower rarity season Catgirls to get a higher rarity one. So that's what that is, in case you're wondering what that meant. Now, they do have a merch store that you can check out too. That is also on their white paper, which you can find at wiki.catgirl.io. They have, let's check out tokenomics on here. So it says 0% buy and sell tax. So yeah, I thought there was reflections it said. So but you probably get, they're talking about staking or farming or NFTs or things like that. But yeah, so 0% buy and sell tax. So if you do get this token off of PancakeSwap, you most likely will not have to change slippage. And that is about it. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Hotbit one if you're looking to get this token. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos. And what do you guys think about Catgirl? Leave a comment down below. Do you think this is a good investment? Do you think this project has had its time and it's over now? Like, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. I know there's new things coming in the future, so maybe you're excited for that. But yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.